Afternoon. Today, we will be knowing what is inducement, direction of the market, how we have to intervene. Because many traders have so many misconceptions that they think inducement as market structure shift, and they fail in the trap of the market. So that is why, keeping that in my view, I would like to explain today what is exactly inducement and how to play depending on the current direction or the previous direction or the bias of the higher time frame. See, for example, first I would like to show how people trade the false view, because everybody knows what is bias and what is higher high, lower low, what is liquidity sweep, FVG, everything people know. But when it comes to implementation, so our mind becomes blank, and in the live market, we cannot play as per our knowledge. नॉलेज हमारे पास रहेगा, लेकिन लाइव मार्केट में जब मार्केट चलते रहते, तो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में, ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन में हम नहीं कर पाते। वो मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। ये देखिए, ये मार्केट डायरेक्शन है, पहला अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, सेम वाइस वर्सा, डाउनवर्ड्स आल्सो। सी, दिस इज द फर्स्ट लेग ऑफ द मार्केट. So if this happens, everybody knows that this became boss. So problem where occurs is exactly when market comes like this, coming like this, if the market is done half structured like this, so people think that, okay, this is MSS, and find out any OBs over here and go for the sell. And they place something like this. This is the target and this is the stop loss. And sometimes what happens is, without their knowledge, the market gives reward until like this. And till here, they will be in the profit and they think that, okay, I have entered in the correct region. And earning also, and in the live market, they see their P&L, profit and loss in the green, like 3,000, 2K profit, 3K profit, something like that. But the thing is, this is not the market structure shift. To become market structure shift, it has to break this low. Because before going happening the boss करने के पहले ये हायर लो स्विंग है. and the market went like this. So all the order blocks, FVGs, you find over here. So again, the market is coming like this. So until this breaks down, you cannot say market is in the downward direction. It is only retracement. So now what is happening is only retracement. So our bias should be with the prior direction only. Prior direction is up. So this is the retracement. This is not MSS. The short time frame, you may witness MSS, and because the market is falling, only to reach the liquidity areas. What are the liquidity areas? One, if you have any FVG, order block, or liquidity left in the candles low or something like that, where the buyers keep their stop loss, something. So this is not MSS. The ICT trader must aware of this, and he should place buying orders over here, and he should wait very patiently. Or else what will happen? So market comes like this, and some people again, okay, this is a lower high, and it went up, and it will again come over here, and we will short over here, and we will take all the profit until this. Then suddenly what will happen? It will come to the FEG or OB without going below this higher low, which is the MSS point, and then market structure shift will come down once as an inducement, and it goes up like this. So I repeat many times. See, I will make this as a very short video. Only your market structure shift happens at this level only when bosses happen, and this level only, because from here to here, this is the area where MSS has to be happen, and from this is here to this, once bosses happen, remember, once bosses happen, this is the area future MSS, there is a possibility. So if market suddenly came down and closes the candle over here, then you can think of selling at lower highs. Sorry, higher lows. Then only market will come down like this. So internally, suppose market gone like this, this is all internal up and downs one. Market structure shift does not happen until this is broken. Then market goes like this. So ICT traders, they have to remember one thing, that only higher lows, when they are broken, then only market structure shift, or else according to the prior trend, because this trend is up, you should ready to buy with a small stop loss. Stop loss is must. Nobody can dictate the market. So you should ready to place your order with a proper stop loss for the next liquidity highs. So this is how you have to play. Now I will show you something in the chart in BTC live. So I am removing everything. Now see. This I'm converting it to 1 hour. Now check out. Where is the swing point? This is the higher low. See, for example, this is higher high and retracement happened, and again market closed above this level. So I can say this is boss. So before boss is going to happen, this market has created this thing, higher low. So for the BTC, till this point, approximately I have pointed. So 1,04,000 until this point is broken. You cannot assume that market will fall down like this. The fall will happen only when this is broken. Then you can place orders from either from here or here. Go for the selling. You can go for the selling. तो जब तक ये नहीं होता, ये हायर लो ब्रेक नहीं होता, ये इंटरनली जो होता है, क्या भी होने दो, this is all the market big players are acquiring the liquidity to push the market up. Now coming to the point, till what points the market may come down. Here comes liquidity point, internal liquidity points. Those are FVGs and liquidity left like this. Okay. So once internally the big players, if they grabbed all this liquidity, then only the market goes up, because this higher low is not broken. So what is this process is called? This is called inducement. I will show something. The previous history. See, any point I have taken, any point I will take 1 minute. The buy side I show you initially. This is a major high and this is the major low. See, once if it is created, this major low is created, market played in many directions. One hour chart. So only this low is broken, then you can say market structure shift. नहीं तो लोग क्या करेगा, ये चार्ट ऐसा देखेगा, इधर तो वो स्विंग पकड़ेगा, ये पॉइंट करेगा, ये नीचे क्लोज हो गया, मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट, सो सेल मारो. इधर किधर तो एफबीजी और वो भी वो पकड़ेगा, और टारगेट नीचे, वॉट एवर एज द विश. लेकिन मार्केट ने क्या किया, मार्केट ने सीधा ऊपर गया. Why did that happen? Because this law has not been broken. So every time the market is doing the same thing. See here also. Here in 1 minute time frame, if you can see 1 minute or 5 minutes, people may find MSS and they might have earned the money also until here. But some traders might lose the money also because they expect this liquidity should be grabbed and they will be in the queue waiting. And suddenly market hits their stop losses and goes up. So what we have to do when market is traveling like this, observe where is the higher low is. So say for example, this is the higher low. Until this is not broken, utilize this area as a buy zone only. So go down to the 5 minutes chart or 3 minutes chart, find out any FPGs. Okay, take a long position and keep like this, depending on your risk reward ratio. Okay. So here what happened, this low, so traders lose all the money in this sideways. So here what happened, see, at this point, market structure shift हो गया. होने के बाद मार्केट इधर से इधर गिर गया. Now we have to wait for the inducement because इधर MSS हो गया. Now our inducement will be in the higher side, upper side. So this is the highest point. Because MSS happened, market must take out this higher high to induce trader. They think that, okay, high is broken, let's go for the buy side. So ICG traders must wait patiently. MSS has happened and market made a lower low. And now let me wait for an inducement. So market again, inducement has given by taking out this thing, creating a higher high over here. Okay. So from once if it is done, because this is the highest higher candle and the liquidity is grabbed, then you can find out. See, I don't tell all those things again. Any video, I will cover it out. So you take this sell point, or find out any FVGs, market came, retested, and fall back. So from here to here, 6,000 points you got with a perfect entry. आप बोल सकते सर ये सब मिस हो गया ना, ये सब अनगारंटीड ट्रेड्स है, स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड्स है. 1 आवर का हायर टाइम फ्रेम का देख के कीजिए, ट्रेड भी परफेक्ट रहेगा, आइडिया भी परफेक्ट रहेगा, थॉट प्रोसेस भी परफेक्ट रहेगा. So this is called the inducement. So in the same way, when the market is falling, inducement happens in the higher side. And the market is going up, market tries to induce to come down as much as it can, so that it can induce all the traders, giving a false impression that market will fall down. Okay, it is falling and coming down. इधर सेल मारो, इधर सेल मारो, इधर सेल मारो. सो ये तो लोएस्ट स्विंग हो गया. इधर किधर तो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक रहेगा. Then market goes up. This is the big move we have to catch. Forget about all these things. So wait for a good trade. Now we are in this move. So you have to find out where the inducement is, may complete. For example, see, this is a lower low. This is a lower low, but not major. This is minor low. Which is the major low? This is the major low. So until this major low is not broken, you cannot say MSCs has happened. So market may come down to lure all the traders thinking market is falling, market is falling. It traps all the traders and then suddenly market goes up. So मेरा मतलब ये है, जब ये 1 आवर का चार्ट है, 5 मिनट या 3 मिनट में देखा, तो इधर आपको एमएसएस मिलेगा किधर, तो वो आएगा इधर तक. वो हम सोचते हैं बेस्ट ट्रेड है, मैं पकड़ा आज 1,000 पॉइंट पकड़ा, 2,000 पॉइंट पकड़ा, एक दिन मार खाएगा. So patience needed to wait at the lowest point. Now there are so many topics. See, we have to check out. See, this is the discount area. So professionals, they do wait till the market comes to the discount area so that they can buy and move the market upside. Because of that, to induce traders, amateur traders, the market is slowly come down. So all the traders will be in the trap. So here we can take risk. You may ask, sir, इधर से नहीं गिरेगा क्या? गिर सकता है, लेकिन at least wisely here you can take a buy side trade, keeping a small stop loss like this. Nothing will happen if stop loss occurs. At least you are trading as per your knowledge. So अपना thought process ठीक करना है. So keeping this topic in view, again I am repeating, BTC only gets weak only this level below. Then you can think of shorting BTC. Or else you have, it has so many points. It may reverse. If you use the FIBO, we are exactly at a, if you can consider this as a low and this as a high, we are at premium zone. So we should not buy over here. We have to expect the dip may come. If it comes, we are lucky. Contra trades, if somebody takes, it's up to their choice. But professionally, if it comes down, this is the equilibrium. So this is where the buying happens. And find out any year MSS and get an entry for the buying side. Keep a target. Finally, again, I will show you one thing. I go for any history, previous history. Suppose if this is MSS, after MSS market is coming down. Let's measure from here to here, 3000 points fall happen. So I know so many people might have caught this 3000 points fall and they may say, अरे यार मैंने ICT सीखा और इधर से इधर पकड़ा 3000. पकड़ सकते हैं, करेक्ट, लेकिन वो मार खाएगा आगे. और शॉर्ट टाइम फ्रेम में ओके सब चलेगा, लेकिन 1 आवर का प्रोफेशनल क्या करते. सो फॉर देम दिस इज द मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट एरिया and see, this is the 50% area and below the discount area. Because this is premium, market went upside, they don't enter, they are waiting for the buy side. Now why the market came here only, I said when inducement happens, it looks where the liquidity is there. So this is all the liquidity area, this FVG. To balance this, the market came here and went upside. मेरा कहने का मतलब यह है, आप पहला सोच पॉइंट, MSS पॉइंट, वो फाइंड आउट कीजिए। फाइंड आउट करने के बाद प्रेयर ट्रेंड जो है उसके हिसाब से प्ले कीजिए। हायर टाइम फ्रेम का चार्ट एक बार देखिए, मार्क कीजिए, और ये देख के पूरा ये ऐसा गिर जाएगा नीचे, ऐसा मत सोचिए। So today I have given you a small focus on the what is inducement and how to trade the direction. If you have any doubts or comments, do post me. I will give you reply. Thank you very much.